Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made homemade pizza. So if you guys would like to see how I do that, then keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that way you never miss an upload. In a mixing bowl, you're going to combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of whole wheat flour, 2 teaspoons of coconut flour. By the way, this is optional. Salt and sugar to taste. 2 tablespoons of olive oil, vegetable oil, or any oil of your choice. And about a half a cup of water. So you're going to knead this into a dough. Guys, I completely forgot to add my yeast, so do not be like me. Add your yeast, and that would be a teaspoon and a half of yeast. Once you've added all your ingredients into your mixing bowl, you're going to work your flour and water mixture into a paste, which we would then knead into a dough ball. To be honest with you guys, this is actually the hardest part of making your pizzas because the kneading time takes approximately 15 minutes. Yeah, you have to actually knead your dough for 10 minutes once you've formed it into a ball, and that is to create more moisture pockets as well as help activate the gluten in the flour. After kneading your dough ball for 8 to 10 minutes, it is absolutely imperative that your dough ball have a sticky consistency. Not sticky to the point where it gets stuck to your finger, but sticky to the point where there's a little bit of resistance. This would ensure that you have the perfect pockets in your pizzas. So guys, this step is not optional. Once you've completed your kneading, you need to add about a teaspoon of oil over your dough and let it sit to rise. Now my dough won't rise because, like I mentioned, I did make the mistake of not adding my yeast. And yes, this is a second batch that I made, and I also forgot to add the yeast. But I did make another batch the next day, and they came out so perfect. Now guys, I do apologize for all the out of focus shots. I don't know what's happening with my camera. And also, don't come for my crusties. I'm literally kneading this second batch up right after setting that first batch aside to rise. So I refused to get my hands wet. So don't come for my crusties, and don't come for my chipped nail polish. I promise you guys, I never put my polished hand in the dough. Again, guys, I am trying my best here to make sure that my polished fingers don't come in contact with the dough. As you guys can see, I'm using the palm of my hands to support me molding my dough balls. Now you can use a spatula for this step, but I kind of have iron fingers anyway, so I just use my fingers. If you guys would like to see me use these pitas in different recipes, let me know down in the comments section, and I will be sure to hook you guys up, because personally I already have some amazing pita recipes, but I just want to hear you guys say that you want to see them, so that way I know that y'all watch, right? So I'm just let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. I love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I will see you guys in another video. Bon appetit.